Hey everyone, this is Balot Del Rosario, and I'm your NAS certified professional aromatherapist here at Lanolin Aromatherapy and at www.callmebalot.com. I think 2 weeks ago, we talked about my favorite oil, which is patchouli, and how you can use patchouli essential oil in your blend. And today I will be sharing with you another favorite, which was also very similar to how I would describe my relationship with patchouli. This is almost love at first smell as well. And I encountered this oil during my certification. And the oil that I'm talking about is Siberian fir. Here it is. Hope you can see that. So Abies siberica. And I really love um, furs and needles, oils that are coming from firs, needles, conifers. And Siberian fir is actually on the top of that list. And what can you do with it? Let me share it to you. My screen. Siberian fir has a Latin binomial of Abies siberica. It comes from cones and needles of the plant, and it's steam distilled and gives out a top to middle note with a shelf life of 2 to 3 years. I really love this oil because it promotes calm and positive energy. In my case, I feel like it's very grounding and energizing at the same time. I don't know if that makes any sense, but it just promotes a really positive feeling for me, and it's really good in alleviating anxiety and stress. When it comes to clinical aromatherapy, it relieves muscular aches and pains due to rheumatism or arthritic conditions. But what I love most about this oil is that it's kid safe, and it's a very good respiratory supportive oil, and I use this a lot whenever my kids are under the weather or me myself would be feeling down. So it's a good decongestant and expectorant. And just to share with you, just in case you would encounter these terms in some text and in blogs that you might be reading, these are the commonly used respiratory support terms. And it's good to know what they would actually mean. So, as I mentioned, Siberian fir is a good expectorant and decongestant. So it relieves congestion as a decongestant, and as an expectorant, it helps expel mucus. So phlegm inside your um, mucosa lining, and it helps expel it. You would also encounter this term a lot, mucolytic. So mucolytics would dissolve or break down mucus, especially the thick one. So it thins down these mucus inside, so that you can easily expel them. And also antitussive would help relieve that coughing in cases wherein there's a lot of spasms and ubo ka ng ubo. So basically that's it. So, just something that you can take away before I leave you at this is a respiratory support recipe for kids. So it's kid safe, but you can also use this as well if you don't have kids. This is a master blend, so you can use this in the diffuser, you can use this in a roller blend, or you can use this in an inhaler. So 1 drop Virginian cedarwood or Juniperus virginiana, 2 drop Siberian fir, Abies siberica, and 1 drop lavender, Lavandula angustifolia. So this specific recipe can be put straight in your diffuser. If you have a kid 2 to 4 years old, you can dilute this at 1%. So meaning you blend this recipe first and then use 2 drops of that blend in 10 ml carrier oil. And for 5 to 12 years old, you can use 2% dilution for this specific recipe, 4 drops in total in 10 ml carrier. And you can go 3% to 5% for healthy adults. Start low at 3% and then check if you need to escalate the dose. And then you can use this for respiratory support. So that is all for today. I hope that you love this little sharing of essential oil and how you can use them in your blending practice. I hope you learned something new. And if you have any special oil that you would want me to um, look into and share with you here in the group, in this YouTube channel or in the blog, please do hit me up at my Instagram account, DM me. That's at Call Me Balot. And you can also follow me at my blog, www.callmebalot.com. And of course, here in YouTube at youtube.com/callmebalot. So thank you so much for being here. I hope you subscribe to this channel. I hope you have a lovely, lovely week ahead. And aromatic blessings, everyone. Bye.